Oh, is it happy birthday? Big bite. Dig into the middle. Break it in half.
Reese, pull it apart. Just grab it. Pull it apart.
We're never going to know what the baby is. Yeah, you guys. Eat them up. Eat them up. It's all up to you, Ryan.
Go, Rye. Go, Rye. Go.
Go, go, go. Yeah, buddy.
Go, Rye. Go. What's it going to be? Can't eat it fast enough.
You need a napkin? Okay, napkin. She's like, I got frosting all over me.
I need a girl.
Well, take a bite out of the bottom and tell me. What color's in there, Rye? Pink! Oh, is it pink in there? Let me see. Show me your cupcake. Hold it up. Let me see. It's pink.
Is it pink?
It's pink.
Oh, I knew it.
I